Hi everyone, my name is Dennis and I'm the program coordinator at camp. And today we're going to do a little marble run. So first, our step one is getting some supplies ready. So if you have any kind of household items at your house and don't necessarily have all the same supplies that I do, that's okay. Because for these, you can really use your imagination and build anything you want. So I have a set of scissors. I have some tape. Either one's fine. A little bit of cardboard. We may use our scissors to cut some of that up. And then just a couple other little household items I have. A little salad box, some more cardboard. And then eventually we're gonna try to get our marble, or, well, since I don't have a marble, I'm gonna use a golf ball, into a Dunkin' Donuts cup. All right, awesome. Okay, so we've gathered all of our household supplies. Now it's time to do some of the fun part. Step two, we're gonna start building. So I'm gonna try to start all the way up in this top corner here, and then go all the way down, and put my Dunkin' Donuts cup where we're gonna end, right on the floor. All right, awesome. I hope everyone had fun. Feel free to try these out at home. And thanks for joining me.